The refrigerator corpse is a chilling legend from Korean folklore, blending elements of horror, urban myth, and cultural anxieties. This tale revolves around the discovery of a human corpse concealed within a refrigerator, often in abandoned apartments, secondhand appliances, or rental properties with a suspiciously low price. Legend is rooted in the fear of hidden crimes, urban isolation, and the macabre notion of everyday objects harboring something gruesome. In one of the common version of this story, a tenant moves into an unusually affordable apartment, sometimes left furnished by the previous occupant. Everything seems normal at first, but an odd, persistent smell lingers in the air, often mistaken for spoiled food or plumbing issues. Over time, the odor intensifies, and despite thorough cleaning, it refuses to dissipate. When the tenant finally decides to check inside the refrigerator, perhaps due to a power outage, pest infestation, or sheer curiosity, they uncover the horrifying truth: a human body, dismembered and packed into the appliance, preserved by the cold, but slowly decomposing.